Okay, so your next problem, I want you to write at the very top of your board. 67 divided by 4. The first thing you're going to do is draw a column for each place value. So since 67 has a 10 and 1's place, we're going to write our 10s in this column and our 1s in this column. So we're doing 67 divided by 4. That should be on your board now. Show me your boards. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. So when we're dividing, we're following a 4-step process. Divide, multiply, subtract, and carry over. The first thing we're going to do is ignore the second column. We're looking at the very first column. So what's the very first thing we're going to do according to our steps? Landon?
First thing you do is divide.
Divide what?
6 divided by 4.
Okay, so 6 divided by 4. Or if we had 6, how many groups of 4 could we make?
1.
We could make one whole group of 4. Thank you, Landon. So that was step 1.
That was what step 2.
What is step 2, Jules?
You would multiply 1 times 4, which equals 4.
So 1 times 4 is 4. That was multiply. Step 2. Thanks, Jules. Step 3. Rylan.
Subtract.
What are we subtracting?
6 minus 4.
6 minus 4 is?
2.
2. And so that 2 represents the 2 that would be left over when we do 6 divided by 4. It'd be 1 with a remainder of 2. But we're not just dividing 6 divided by 4. We're dividing 67 divided by 4. So we have to keep going. What's step 4? The step after subtract. Ellie.
Carry over.
What are we going to carry over?
The 2 in front of the 7.
Carry the 2 in front of the 7. Thank you, Ellie. Now we have 27, and we're starting fresh with this column. What's the first thing we're going to do? Back up at the top of our steps, since we're in a new column. Bella?
We're going to divide 27 divided by 4.
Okay, 27 divided by 4. Or, how many 4s can fit into 27?
5 minutes.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we want to see how many groups of 4 we can make. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 6 groups of 4. And then 3 left over. Jules?
One of those columns you only put 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 6 even groups of 4. So Bella, how many 4s fit in the number 27? 6. So we put a 6 up here. That was step 1, divide. Step 2, what do we do now, Emily?
We multiply.
Multiply what?
6 times 4.
Which is?
24.
24, good. Step 3, Mr. Bunk?
Subtract.
Subtract. And what are we subtracting?
27 minus 24.
Which is?
24. Wait, no.
27 minus 24. So 7 minus 4 is?
I keep on getting 4.
Okay.
I don't know why.
So put 4 in your head. 5, 6, 7. How many is that? 3. So, Mr. Bum, what's 27 minus 24? 3. Thank you, sir. And step 4, Sam.
Carry over the 3, and it's 16 with a remainder of 3.
Okay, so this time when we go to carry over the 3, there's not another column to move it to. So if we have anything left here, it becomes the remainder. If this was 0, if we subtracted and got 0, there would just be no remainder. So what is our final answer to 67 divided by 4, Sophie?
16 remainder 3.
16 with a remainder of 3. Okay? And then if we wanted to check our work, we could say, we could take our answer, 16 times 4, which is the same as 10 times 4 and 6 times 4. So 40 plus 24 equals 64. And then we can add back our remainder. So 64 plus 3 is 67, which is the same dividend that we started with. Okay? Any questions on this one? Okay.